Hello everyone. Today, let's understand Prolog terms using two built-in predicates, functor/3 and arg/3. First, look at this term, likes, Kim, pizza. We can use functor/3 to get its structure, functor, likes, Kim, pizza, name, Arity. This gives, name equals likes. Arity equals 2. So, functor/3 tells us, the name and the number of arguments. Next, we use arg/3 to access each argument. arg1 likes, Kim, pizza, x. X equals Kim. arg2 likes, Kim, pizza, x. X equals pizza. So, functor/3 outside structure. arg/3 inside arguments. Together, they let you fully inspect a term. That's the core of how Prolog sees data.